Are you a churro lover? Then don't waste your money on buying churros every time. It's pretty simple to make churro at your home and save your money. In addition, we are presenting you with the best churro machine, also known as Churro Maker, of various kinds, example, electric, hollow, or a complete kit of stainless steel. In short, if you think that it is hard to make churros, then you are completely wrong here. Meanwhile, you can make it at your home with less time spent. Thus, you can eat churro at breakfast, you can eat churro the whole day, as it is very crispy, a bit salty, and a little sweet, so you won't get rid of eating a churro. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best churro maker. So let's get started.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
Number 5. Edge Cook Multi-Purpose Stainless Steel Churro Maker. Edge Cook provides you a kit of churro maker with 20 discs and 8 icing tips that helps you to make churros in 20 different designs. You don't have to worry if you have arthritis, it doesn't harm you, and it is very comfortable to use. You can use it occasionally as well as regularly in making snacks for breakfast, for holiday treats even. With this churro maker, you can make biscuits, cake, churros, and cookies too. It is made from ABS and stainless steel, so there's no need to worry about breaking it into pieces. It has long time durability due to its body. You can wash it easily from soaking it into soapy water. It is easy to make churros with this churro maker. Even a new person will become a champ very easily. Number 4. HAKKA SV3-4 Churro Maker Machine. HAKKA Churro Maker is available in 7lb/3L size with 2-in-1 churro and sausage maker in dimensions 27 by 13 by 11 inches with 24.3 pounds. It is made from stainless steel, available in silver color with easy use and easy wash facility. Available in 5 different diameters S/S nozzles that are empty set 10mm, empty set 16mm, empty set 22mm, empty set 32mm, empty set 38mm. Food made from this churro maker is very hygienic. Hence, due to its small size and part detachment, it is easy to carry. You can also set the speed of the churro maker. Number 3. StarBlue Churrera Churro Maker. With StarBlue Churro Maker you can make churros in 8 different styles with its 8 different assorted discs. It is very easy to carry as its weight is 0.30 kilograms, so you can carry it anywhere. With this, you can easily create churros in 6 easy steps. It makes your work easy to create churros at home. Furthermore, it is very easy to clean this churro machine, as all parts of this churro machine are detachable, and also, you can wash it with your hand. Its dimensions are 8.1 by 9.9 by 23.1 centimeters. With this churro maker, you will get 5 different detachable items with it that are 8 assorted discs, 1 cylinder, 1 piston, 1 locking ring, and a user manual. With its ABS plastic quality and blue and white combination gives a royal look to the churro maker and also increase the durability of the churro maker. Number 2. Empanada and Churro Machine Cooker. Empanada and churro machine is very compatible, as you can make both churros as well as empanadas within minutes, and it is very easy to use this machine. At a time you can make 6 churros. With its detachable plates and easy to wash, it is better from the churro press. Same in empanada, at a time you can make 2 big empanadas. With its detachable plates and ease to wash, it is better from the empanada press. It also has 4 detachable plates that help to make empanadas and churros within minutes, and which is very easy to clean and store. It also includes a recipe booklet and a dough cutting circle that helps a beginner to make churros and empanadas tasty and gives a perfect look. Number 1. Hanchen NP22 Churro Maker Machine. NP22 Churro Maker is very easy to control, as it has an auto temperature controller with a timer that controls the temperature and doesn't let it burn. Due to its high conductivity, fast heat, and double-side heating, you can make churro very fast within 3 to 5 minutes. This product is made of stainless steel and aluminum structure, and with its removable plates, you can easily wash. It consumes 110V and 220V optional to work. The size of churro is 22 by 10 by 234 millimeters, and the Churro Maker machine is 520 by 780 by 330 millimeters, which consumes less space to keep and install. The weight of this Churro Maker machine is 26 kilograms with 14 different PCS and 2 plates, which is easy to carry for commercial use. That was our list of the top 5 best Churro Maker just for you.